Here are some lug nuts. I don't know how good I can see those, but they're really rusty. So what I'm going to do is soak these, get the two I have soaked.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days.
And rust reformer. Put them in here. This I just use to scrub it. And cleaning vinegar. That's supposed to break down rust. So let's see what we have here. Here's one that actually most of the rust has come off of. Another one that it's broken down the rust. Let's put these three in here. Put that on there. Shake it up a little bit. Now we'll get, look at that. A little more scrubbing. That one's going to be just like new. Look at that rust. Look at that. It's amazing what that combination of stuff can do. I'll kind of let this one set a little bit more and clean a little bit more. This one was pretty clean. But you want to get all that rust off of there. I'm going to put vinegar in here. Just kind of use regular steel wool. Okay. Now I've got all this kind of set.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days.